Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I created this daytime makeup look and how I switched the daytime makeup look to a nighttime makeup look. So we're just gonna hop right in. I am starting off with my eyebrows. I just got my eyebrows threaded, so I didn't fill them in. The only thing I did was outline them with concealer. So I'm using my E.L.F. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Walnut, along with my angled eyebrow brush, and I'm just going underneath my brows and creating a line just to clean up my brows even more. After I outline my brows with that concealer, I use my Morphe E30 brush to blend out that concealer just to make sure that you can't see those concealer lines. So next I am using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Rich, and I'm putting that on my eyelids. This is just going to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. And I just blend out that concealer until none of my natural skin is seeping through. So I'm making sure that my eyelids are completely covered with that concealer. So moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I am using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. This was my first time using this eyeshadow palette, so I was really excited to try it out. But the first shade that I used was Off Balance, and I'm using Off Balance as my transition color. So I'm just putting that all over my eyes except for the middle portion of my eyes. I'm focusing mainly on the outer corners, and I'm dragging that shade towards my inner corners as well. The next shade I'm applying to my eyes is called Hot Mess, and Hot Mess is this deep pink shade, and I'm keeping that shade on my outer corners just to deepen up my crease. For my crease, I'm using the shade Supernova. I like to apply shimmer shades first with my finger just to get more of the pigment on my eyes. And then I like to go back in with an eyeshadow brush to clean up the look. So I'm using my E.L.F. eyeshadow brush as well to create a half crease. Then I go back into the dark pink shade, Hot Mess, and I apply that right where the pink shimmer shade stops so that I can get that gradient effect. So now we're moving on to the face. For my face, I used my NYX Shine Killer Primer. I put that on first, and then I went in with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun. The foundation that I'm using is the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Espresso. And I'm using this foundation because it's full coverage, it's super thick, and it doesn't transfer or make my skin oily. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Rich again. I'm using that to highlight the middle portion of my face. For the bottom portion of my face, I'm using a darker concealer, and I'm applying that concealer right underneath my cheekbones. And now I'm just using a Real Techniques brush to blend everything out. I always start off with the darker concealer first, so I already blended out the bottom half of my face, and then I just work my way up. When I get closer to my nose, I use a smaller concealer brush to blend out that concealer. And then I like to go in with my Real Technique sponge to just absorb some of that product, especially if I feel like I've applied too much. So after I blended out the concealer, I just felt like it wasn't bright enough, so I went in with the lighter concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I only put that underneath my eyes. I just wanted my cheeks to be a little brighter. After the concealer's blended out, I went in with my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Deep, and I used that to set my concealer. When I got to the bottom portion of my face, I used my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cinnamon Bun, just because it's a little darker and the bottom half of my face is naturally darker. To warm up my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and I am just using a generous amount. I'm using this to warm up my face, and I'm also using it as a contour. Then I just take a smaller brush and I apply some more of that bronzer on the sides of my nose to really enhance my nose bridge. Before I finished up my face, I went in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to make my skin look more dewy and not so matte. Then I go back into that dark pink shade called Hot Mess, and I use that underneath my eyes along with some mascara. And then for my lips, I'm using my LA Girl Precision Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, along with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Mauve Wives. To highlight my nose, I just used the same pink shimmer shade that I used on my eyelids, that shade called Supernova, and that's what I used to highlight my nose bridge. And after that, that is it. This is how the daytime glam looks like. Very soft, feminine, girly, super pink. I just love it for the daytime, especially around the holidays. So now I'm going to show you guys what I normally do if I want to take a daytime look to a nighttime look. So I'm going back into my eyeshadow palette and I'm taking the shade Vortex, which is this dark purple, and I'm using that to smoke out my eyes a little bit more, mainly focusing on the outer corners of my eyes. And after I get enough pigment, I'm going in with a smaller eyeshadow brush so that I can drag that purple shade towards my inner corners without messing up my lid shade, that pink shimmer shade that I have on. Then I'm going in with this liquid liner by Huda Beauty. This is their Fly Liner liquid pencil, and I'm just using that liquid liner to create a real dramatic wing. Y'all, I really love how dark this eyeliner is, how dramatic it looks. It's just super intense and dark. The only thing I will say is that I didn't really get that many wears out of it. I only used it about 6 or 7 times and it dried out or ran out, I don't know, but it was super expensive, so I don't think I'll be buying it again anytime soon, just because I really didn't get to use it that much. After applying the liner, I applied the same lashes that I had on for my first makeup look, and the lashes that I'm wearing are from Savedbythelash. I don't remember the style name, but if I find it, I'll make sure to leave it in my description box for y'all. To smoke out my waterline, I'm going back into that dark purple called Vortex, and I'm applying that with a small smudger brush. I also applied a little bit of black eyeshadow on my waterline as well. Then next, I'm going in with a darker bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade thick mint. I'm using this bronzer to define my cheekbones a little bit more and just to make my makeup look more intense. I'll also be changing my lips, so I'm going in with my Revolution Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Deep Wine, and Deep Wine is this dark plum shade. And this is the finished nighttime look, very sexy and bold. This is something I would wear for a girls' night out, for a date. I just really like this look all together. Let me know which look is y'all's favorite. Of course, you can wear either or. You can wear that daytime look that I showed y'all in the beginning at night. You can wear this nighttime look during the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which look is your favorite, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.